We welcome you all to PGP College of Agricultural Sciences. We not only learn but live in PGP College of Agricultural Sciences.
Welcome to the future of farming. Welcome to PGP College of Agricultural Sciences, Namakkal's premier destination for agricultural education and innovation. Located in the heart of Tamil Nadu's agricultural belt, our college blends tradition with technology, empowering the next generation of agri leaders to feed the world. With expert faculty, hands-on training, and cutting-edge research. Known for Namakkal's poultry and dairy industries, we give students direct access to thriving local farms and real-world agricultural experience, because learning doesn't just happen in classrooms. From smart farming and organic cultivation to sustainable technologies and agripreneurship, we prepare students not just for jobs, but for leadership in agriculture. Scholarships available, state-of-the-art labs, hostel facilities, 100% placement support. Ready to sow the seeds of your future? Narrator, confident finish. Join PGP College of Agricultural Sciences, Namakkal, where agriculture meets excellence.
Thanks to PGP College of Agricultural Science, Namakkal.
Thanks to PGP College of Agricultural Science, Namakkal.
Thanks to PGP College of Agricultural Sciences. Thank you PGP. PGP வேளாண்மை அக்ரிகளுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. Thanks to PGP Agriculture College, Namakkal.
Thank you to PGP College of Agricultural Sciences, Namakkal. Thanks to PGP College of Agricultural Science, Namakkal. Thanks to PGP College of Agricultural Sciences, Namakkal.
Welcome to PGP College of Agricultural Sciences. Thank you.